Hi, this is John with WTI, and I own the Jabra Evolve 75, but they have a micro USB connection, which sometimes it's a little bit, I forget to charge it. But this accessory from Jabra, this is the Jabra charging stand specifically for the Jabra Evolve 75s. It just works like a charm. So the good thing about this is this is a charging station. You go and drop your earbuds there, your headsets there, and they just work there and start charging. And at the same time, every single time that I get to my headsets, they're just always charged. I would never forget to charge them in the middle of the lesson and they just die. So it tells you the status of what is happening, when it's charging. It has a really nice L-shaped look that it looks so aesthetic to your desk. And if you're trying to keep your headsets always charged, your Jabra Evolves always charged, this guy here, this charging dock, it works great. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.